we are going to learn how to write and speak in Persian. In this session, we want to start with the first words and the first letters of Persian alphabet. Look at me, look at my mouth. What sound do you hear? Listen. The first word that we are going to is this one. After this sound, it starts with the sound that I just made. Ab. Ab. Ab means water in English. Ab, water. Ab is the same as water in English. What about the other one? Aseman. 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 Aseman means sky in English. Aseman, sky. Aseman, sky. So right now we know two words in Persian. Ab, aseman. Ab, aseman. Water, sky. Wasn't that pretty easy? I'm sure you repeated it with me. Now, are you ready for the next one, which is so exciting? We want to start to see how we will write the first letter of Persian alphabet. Let's see. First, know this. In English, we write from left to right. Left to right. But in Persian, it's completely the opposite. We write from right to left. Right to left. Now come here. Just like English alphabet in Persian, we also have capital and small letters or lowercase letters. Capital, small. Capital, small. Just like English. Now look here. How do I write a? First, we have a line here. We have a line here, and this line is like that two-line thing in English. Now come here. Look here. For writing down a, what do? First, I put the tip of. Let me see. Did you grab your paper and pen? Then go grab them. Now come here. For writing down the first Persian alphabet A, for the lowercase one, we put the tip of your pen or pencil above this line. You see this line? You put it here, and then you draw a straight line until you reach this one. See? I put it here. I'll write a straight line until I reach this line, okay? And that's it. This is lowercase or small a. Again, put the tip of your pen or pencil and draw a line until you reach this line. It's pretty easy. Now let's go to the capital one. For capital one, what do you think is the difference? What do you see? Yes, they are somehow similar to each other, but there's a hat. Exactly. There's a hat of the top of the letter. Look here, just like a C wave. Again, I put the tip of my pen or pencil, put it here, draw a line until I reach this line, and then I draw something like a C wave, like a hat above it. Put the tip of my pen or pencil here and the C wave, and that's all. Lowercase a, capital A. Wasn't that easy? Now, do you know what practice we have for the next session? Let's go see. Now, for the practice for next session, in order to completely understand this session, until next time, instead of saying water, you say ab. And instead of saying sky, you say aseman. With this practice, you will completely understand and learn these two new words. And what about this one? Write a whole page of lowercase or small a and another full page of capital A with the hat. Okay? With the hat. I'm sure that we see each other next session. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so you won't miss next sessions. And until then, bye. I love you guys.